Guys, my phone is broke today. Yes, it's very bad. Boom. Look at that. So we're going to see what's inside of a phone. It's going to be cool. Okay, I got to slam this on the ground real quick and find out what's inside. So, yeah. Oh! Ah. Okay, I got it. Okay, ready? It's a piece for it. As you can see, there is actually like paper-like stuff under it. It's hard to break. It's pretty cool. The phone. I just wanted to show that. I just wanted to show y'all guys that. Show you. This is what happens to your phone when it breaks. Oh! I broke it again. And let's try to bend this. Let's try to bend this to get this stuff out. That part. Ugh. Guess what? It's not on. Watch this try to come on. Will it come on? That thing's broken. It's broken? Okay. This is crazy. What up, guys? Ah! Get. Yeah. I'm gonna show you what's inside of this part. Okay, ready? Got it. Ooh. Oh, dang! It's straight up metal. Metal on here. Okay, there's still more layers. There's a lot of protection to a phone. But it dies easily. Come on, fall out. It won't fall out. Okay. Now, that's a mirror. That's a mirror. Look at this. There's a mirror inside a phone. So that's where, yes, I'm recording on my phone. That's where the camera thing comes from, I think. Okay. I think it's the last part of it. It's the last part of it. Finish. Oh, there's still more? Inside a phone. There's still more, guys. What the? Okay. Now, there is this part. Looks weird. I'm literally showing y'all what's inside a phone. I'm trying to open it with scissors. Don't just try this at home, guys. If you have a broken phone, ask your mom to show, upload it on YouTube. Ask your mom to record it for you. Try this at home. Okay. Here is one of the main parts of the phone. See? This is the memory for the phone. Yes, this is the Apple memory. As you can see, this is busted. That means it's broken forever. 3, 2, 1. There's still more layers. Guys, please, don't do this at home. Do not try this at home. This is very dangerous. I would not recommend you do this. There's a metal part, so it's going to be hard to get out. Yeah. Gosh, this is hard. Okay, Okay. Oh, look at that. Ah. Oh my gosh. I gotta clean this up. Gosh. My mom doesn't know I'm making a video. Oh dang. This is so cool. Once you go inside the iPhone, dang, it gets small. It looks so smaller. Oh my god. This is amazing. Now, we're going to the part where it shows the iPhone logo, I think. Gonna cut this. Ah, God, that's hard. Yeah. Well, that's how far I can get inside this iPhone. Actually, just joking. This is not my phone. This is my old phone. But it said it's broken. I wanted to show y'all what does look inside of an iPhone. It's not my phone. Thank you God it's not. Because this thing would have been dead. And I would not do this because I'll be crying. Because there's a way to fix this. There's a way to fix iPhones. So this iPhone is dead. I'm about to throw it away in this trash. And I'll see you guys later. I hope you have fun watching what's inside of an iPhone. And this is the iPhone 7. I have an iPhone 8 now. So I would not even want this anyway. So bye. See you guys later. Hope you had fun watching what's inside the iPhone. You know what? I might just show y'all the rest right now. I just got to throw away this, and I'll be good. Okay. Okay. I threw that away. Let's go inside this more. Okay. I've been making this video for 7 minutes, I think. I don't know. Yes. We're in it. Okay, I gotta cut this. Okay. There's a lot of layers. Because this is... Gosh. Never knew it had stuff like this in here. Oh gosh. I gotta go over a trash can. There's a lot of crumbs from this. Gosh. Okay. This is awesome. Guys, this is so cool. Okay. Well, this is it, what's inside. I'm going to show you a part 2. My phone is about to die, so I'll see you guys later. I'm going to show you part 2 in a second. I got to charge my phone. But remember to subscribe. Hit bell notifications. I'll see you guys later. Look at this thing. Oh, my God. Bye.